How to calculate the value of Lerner's index? The question is, if the profit maximizing firm faces the demand curve as P square Q is equal to 7, where P is the price, Q is the quantity, find the value of Lerner's index, which is denoted by L. Okay, so the Lerner's index is used to measure the degree of monopoly power. It is being given by, so L is equal to price minus the marginal cost upon price, which is equal to the absolute value of the reciprocal of the elasticity of demand. Okay, so in fact here, since no marginal cost is being given, so let us solve it for, so L is equal to 1 upon E. That means Lerner's index is inversely proportional or related to the elasticity of demand. So we need to find out the elasticity of demand here. Okay, so first, so elasticity of demand, as we know, it is equal to the change in the quantity demanded due to the change in the price times price upon quantity demanded at that very price. So let us solve this demand function. We have P square Q is equal to 7. Let us solve it for Q. So Q will be equal to 7 upon P square, or Q is equal to 7 times P raised power negative 2 if I transpose denominator to numerator. Now its derivative, that is dq upon dp, will be equal to, so using power function rule, the exponent of the p becomes coefficient. So we have 7 times negative 2 and exponent is subtracted by 1, so we get negative 2 negative 1, negative 2 minus 1. This is equal to negative 14 times P raised power negative 3. So elasticity of demand will be equal to, so dq upon dp is minus 14 times P raised power negative 3 times we have P upon what is Q. Q is equal to 7 upon P square here. So solving further, so elasticity will be equal to negative 14 times if I reciprocate it here, so what will we get? We will get P raised power negative 3 times P square divided by 7 here. Okay, so solving further, so we get 7 1s are 7 2s are, we get negative 2 times, since bases are same, we can add the exponent, so exponent becomes negative 3 plus 1 plus 2. So here we will get minus 2 times P raised power, this sums up to 0, so anything raised power 0 is 1, so we get negative 2. So since elasticity is equal to negative 2, and we know that Lerner's index is equal to the modulus of 1 upon elasticity, so we will get 1 divided by E. In place of elasticity we got negative 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2, which is equal to 0.5. So in this case the Lerner's index will be 0.5. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.